Hello and welcome to FormulaOne Business Advisors. We have a slogan and it says turbocharge your business and we guarantee it. Who is FormulaOne Business Advisors? The company was established back in 2001 by my brother and myself. My brother is Rafael and I'm Oren. The founders are prior CEOs and executives of international private and publicly traded companies with over 50 years of experience in the international business arena. We have hands-on experience in starting, developing, managing, and selling our previously privately held companies with a proven track record of great success. We have an in-depth understanding and experience in mergers and acquisitions of small and medium-sized businesses. We currently employ top-notch associates with various domain expertise. We are both certified business brokers and business coaches. And we belong to the PBCA, the Professional Business Coaching Alliance in the North America continent, which counts over 110 professional business coaches that we share and collaborate information with. Our business offering is made up of three main components. We offer business coaching services, consulting services, and membership services. And we are aiming at doing only one thing only. And that is increasing the equity that you, the business owner, have in your company. The business coaching process is a very fascinating and interesting process, and I'm going to focus in this video on the first step, which is benchmarking, the financial benchmarking. Financial benchmarking, if you look up at the dictionary, you'll find the following definitions. Benchmarking is to measure according to specified standards in order to compare with and improve one own's business, product, service, etc. The other definition that is interesting is it's a critical component in terms of monitoring a company's success in attaining strategic objectives, and it assists in the assessment of operations issues that support those objectives. The process of the financial benchmarking and analysis process is pretty simple, but it provides an amazing piece of information. We first of all collect data, we then input it into our software system, then move on to produce an evaluation report, discuss the findings with the relative people in the organization, in this case you, the business owner, and we come up eventually with an improvement plan that can produce some significant results in your business. This video is aimed at offering you the data collection and up to providing you the evaluation report and preparation. What will benchmarking do for you? Well, first and most importantly, it will provide you an instant view of your direct competitors, the companies that you're competing with on a day-to-day basis, and it will also enable you to see what is the industry performance, the industry that you're in, what kind of performance it has. This information is compiled from the Ewing Kaufman non-profit organization database, which includes very close to 1 million privately held businesses in the US. This information usually is not accessible unless you're a large corporation willing to pay many thousands of dollars for it. We are bringing it here for you free of charge. You get reliable benchmarking data including industry profitability, capital structure, debt, cash flow, valuation, effectiveness of your employees, and much more than that. You receive a comprehensive set of commonly used financial indicators in plain English. You can actually understand what this report will say. You get instant quantifiable view of strengths and weaknesses of your business. You get an instant view of opportunities for performance improvement in your business. And we get immediate action plan to create quick hits based on reliable and up-to-date data. You can then convince bankers and insurance agents by using a language that they can understand, numbers. The benchmarking process becomes your blueprint for longer-term strategic direction for your business. It also becomes a very practical management tool for your business, and it becomes the basis for your future management of performance. You'll now be able to start comparing your performance of last year to this year and to next year forecasts. You'll be able to instantly adjust to industry trends, and in today's volatile economy where things change pretty much overnight, this benchmarking process will enable you to see how your competitors are reacting to the industry to the economy that we're in. Results can be achieved by using our benchmarking system. Results can be achieved and measured within less than 60 days, and we've seen that happening with many companies. Here is an example of industry matrix that the financial benchmarking process produces. I've chosen here randomly a computer programming service company and in the industry, and I've basically broken it down to small, medium and large companies. You can see that for this particular company, the computer programming services, what we've done is we collected data from 1,733 companies, and what we are basically able to produce here, is providing critical information as to, for example, what kind of a gross profit a small company enjoys. You can take the gross profit that you produce and compare it to this information and see how well you do. We're also looking at the operating income. We're looking at net profit after tax, for example. We're looking at other critical information like, for example, what kind of cash liquidity you have, what kind of cash flow do you carry in your company, and you can compare it to, if you're a small company, you can compare it to what the information that is provided here is. Accounts receivable, what percentage do they form out of your total revenue? If your percentage here is going to be 20%, you know you're not collecting fast enough. There's something that needs to be done about it. If you are a manufacturing, distribution, retail company that carries inventory, you'll have a number here that shows you what kind of an inventory your direct competitors are carrying, and you can then see if you are acting smartly in terms of the inventory that you're carrying with yourself. And there is a lot of other financial terms. This is just a very simple example. A lot of other financial indicators that we can provide you valuable information upon, so that you can see how does your company stack up. By now you're probably asking yourself, okay, so how do I get this report? What do I need to do? All you have to do is 2 easy steps. The first one is log on to www.census.gov/EOS/www/NAICS. This is the website of the US Census Bureau. All you have to do is go then to this corner here, enter the keyword that describes your company activities. In this case I chose software. Press the button 2007 NAICS search, and you'll have a whole lot of terms that are coming up here with different codes. Click the code that is the most relevant to you, and then you have the NAICS code that describes your company. Next, go to our website at www.formulaoneadvisors.com. Go to the free zone, press the button, go to the dialog box here, provide your email here, and next to your name put in brackets the NAICS code that you have found for your company. Press send, and that's it. Your free, valuable and personalized report will arrive at your email box within 2 business days. That's all you have to do. My contact information is, you have my direct line, my office number, our fax number, my personal email, and the company website, which is www.formulaoneadvisors.com. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. We appreciate it and looking forward to hearing from you.